You can use your WF-1000XM5 in the office to make your work life more effective. With the Speak to Chat function, you don't have to remove your earbuds to speak to your colleagues. Just start speaking, and the earbuds will automatically pause, letting you easily hear your colleague without removing your earbuds. Your music will resume based on your settings in the app. To turn on your Speak to Chat function, go to the Headphone Connect app. Then, go to the Sound settings. Scroll down to Speak to Chat, and slide the toggle to the right to turn it on. To customize your Speak to Chat settings, tap on the Settings icon. Here you can change the voice detect sensitivity and the time delay before your music resumes. Choose between automatic, high or low settings for voice detect sensitivity. Choose between short, standard or long duration for the time delay, or choose to not automatically resume your music. Now, your music will automatically resume when you stop speaking.